Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see corporate and allied law question paper review. So I have collected the inputs from a group of students and along with their views, and here we are going to see my view as well finally. So I'm going to give you the split up of marks. I'm going to give you the how the question paper is structured and what are the questions asked to maximum extent those students remembered. I'm going to give it only for the purpose of educational purpose for the upcoming exam. So let's start with this video. So first part would be, like we discussed in the previous video, 20 marks have been dedicated for MCQs. Okay, and the next part would be similarly 20 marks. This would be like kind of fill in the blanks where students have been asked to write it in a very shorter way in the fill in the blanks area. And there are 4 categories out of 6. Out of 6 questions, students have been asked to choose 4. So this is the next subdivision, and in these 4 subdivisions, students have been asked to write it in a brief way. So students have been asked to write about all the Companies Act and allied law related questions. Those questions have come here, and the last part would be section D. In this section, there is no choice. So this is what the question paper pattern, and let's quickly move to the questions area. What are the questions have been asked? So there are questions come from Nidhi companies. 12 mark question have been come. This is a case study based on Nidhi companies. Lot of questions have come, and then questions have come from IBC. Corporate governance, there is a question. Clause 49 question has come, and then there is a standard question have been asked. The question is what are the benefits of good governance? And there are questions from accounts and audit, director responsibility statement, questions from money laundering and foreign company, as well as from books of accounts. Okay, let's see what is the view of students. So when I've just interacted with 3 to 4 students, and all the students have said the question paper would be moderate. So when I see these questions along with the view, I can feel that the question paper would be little average, not so much tough. But the thing is that so whatever preparations that we normally do for written examination holds good for this online examination. That is what it is reflected here. And last thing is that there are questions from corporate governance. The standard expectations that we normally do for written examination holds good here as well. So that is the point. So this is the pattern been tested for online, and the other feedback is that students who have appeared in the last 6 months, it is not the same pattern. The pattern has completely changed. So we cannot expect the same pattern for June 22 as well. But what we can expect is that whatever we prepare, whatever we expect for a written examination will always hold good for any kind of patterns. So that is one thing. But students have faced a lot of difficulties in terms of going to the exam location and attending this exam through online mode and stuff. There are options. There is a feedback option at the end of the exam, it seems. If you have time, if you have completed your exam well before the time given, please give your feedback to the institute if you have time. Unless, please leave it. And this is something that is for corporate and allied law. We'll meet in the next video.